This week's feast.
Lady and the Tramp, Spaghetti and Meatballs. What's up, everybody? We have special guest LazyRonStudios here in the kitchen with us today, and Guppy!
Wait, that ain't my puppy.
Yeah, let's bring her puppy in. Aww, it's a family!
A little pup.
So what kind of dog is Guppers?
He's a pug.
Aww. And what kind of dog is Sawyer?
He's a human.
Oh. Anyway, today on the show, we are redoing one of the recipes we've done before, which is the Spaghetti and Meatballs from Lady and the Tramp.
Of the one you'll find an enchantment to hear.
But we have two lovely ladies. Well, one lovely lady and
one tramp.
And one tramp.
Wait, is Guppy a tramp?
I'm so
guess
sorry.
he
I guess he
is.
is. You should have told me this. We're gonna eat some delicious foods. You can't see behind camera right now, but both of our producers are waving around plates of food so our dogs will look in that direction. But this recipe's super simple. It's food safe for both humans, babies, and dogs.
So let's get started.
Let's go!
Happy Valentine's Day, everybody. Food safe for dogs means we're not adding anything into this mixture that would upset their stomachs. So start by chopping up your carrots, mincing some parsley, and in a mixing bowl, add your lean ground beef, then mix your carrots and parsley in, topped by 1 egg. Once all the ingredients are combined, prepare a baking sheet with some tin foil and roll the mixture into small meatballs, dog-sized of course, and place them so they're not touching each other. Bake the meatballs in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 15 minutes. Just keep an eye on them as they might cook a little faster than expected because they're so small. Then prepare a pot of boiling water and cook your spaghetti. And of course you can always do the ready test by tossing a noodle against the surface to see if it sticks. It's also really fun. Now prepare a plate by layering your spaghetti on the bottom, add a dollop of tomato sauce on top, and finally, as many meatballs as you or your dog wants. And voila, a Lady and the Tramp dinner suitable for dogs and also edible by humans if you're hungry enough. But hey, you know, we'd prefer it if you fed your puppers first. From Ashley and myself here at Feast of Fiction, we like to wish you a very happy Valentine's Day.
We have our spaghetti and meatballs, but because dogs like to war about this sort of stuff, we're gonna put it into 2 separate containers and let these lovely ladies
Ooh, look at this guy. He
want some
wants
Sawyer?
after it.
So we're gonna put this into 2 separate containers, and then both these dogs will have a little bit of a romantic dinner together. You guys ready?
Oh yeah, we don't want to interrupt their romantic dinner.
Yeah, let's see it.
Oh, that was a good one! Hey, Guppy.
Guppy, you ready? Kiwi, you ready? Okay, go! Oh, is Kiwi stealing? That noise too.
And there you have it, everyone. Lady and the Tramp Spaghetti and Meatballs. Aaron, thanks so much for bringing Goops around today.
Thank you guys for having me. It was so much fun.
Do you want to do something, Aaron? Maybe you take this in here?
Oh, how cute.
Let me take this in here.
Okay, you got it kind of close to my face there.
Wow.
No, couldn't do it. Anyway, thanks so much for coming by, Aaron. Make sure you guys follow him on the YouTubes and the Instagrams and the Twitters. All that information will be below, as well as clickable. And hey, you know what? We have more dogs. If you want to see more dog content, let us know.
Yeah, let us know in the comments what else you want to see us make, and we'll see y'all next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Rough.
Get it? Because it was dogs.
Yeah. That pun was pretty rough.